Guys, welcome back again. I'm here in my room already and I changed my new outfit guys na ginawa ko. So, tingnan nyo ang aking suot. Wow! And I have my socks. I make my outfit. Yes, naisip ko guys. This one is blouse siya guys. Na ginawa ko siya, tinali ko na naman siya dito. Ayan, my tie-tie collection is come back. Yan. Yan, but in a nice way na siya guys. In a nice way, hindi na po siya kagaya dati na super sexy. So now, binawasan natin ang ating outfit. Yes, thank you very much for watching me once again. Salamat sa mga nanood sa akin and to all my members in my join button guys. Thank you Mary and Vivian, shout out sa iyo Sisi Koy and Summer Badika, shout out sa iyo my friend, and to all of you guys that you are always watching me, thank you very much. John Gibson, shout out, and Angeli Bautista, my daughter. Yan, thank you sa mga visits nyo sa akin, and I'm very thankful that even though I'm very busy the whole day, you're still there to check my uploads and to watch my upload. Yes, Mary and Vivian, shout out again Sisi Koy. Please support guys Mary and Vivian channel. Hindi pa siya monetize, so tutulungan natin siya guys kasi nag-member po siya sa ating join button. As you see guys, if you are a member of my join button, is your comment is there is a color. Yan, hindi po siya gray, so there is a color. It means member ka sa aking join button. So you have the number one priority na makita yung comments mo sa mga subscribers ko para i-subscribe kanila, and then I'm always sharing your vlogs also. Yan, tutulungan ko kayo na ma-upgrade yung inyong mga views. Yan, kasama ng aking mga subscribers. Yan, thank you sa lahat ng mga viewers. Thank you very much once again, and as I said, keep going lang tayo guys, at kahit ano pa ay kakayanin natin basta kasama natin si Papa God. Yan, thank you. Watch out to all my co-youtubers. Thank you very much, and babawi ako guys pag uwi ka ng Pinas next month na. And take a look again of my outfit. Yan, model tayo sa kama natin kasi dito lang yung magandang views guys. Doon kasi maraming nakasabit to ng mga kwaknit, kaya dito tayo mag-model kasi maganda tingnan sa wall. Yan, have a nice day. Salamat, and watch out my live coming soon. Yan, mag-try tayo mag-live. Sana magkita-kita tayo. Salamat, bye.